Here we go, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how much everything costs. What's up, my mobile detailing people? We here at H2O. If you didn't know, I'm gonna be showing you guys what you guys need to start your detailing business for those beginner detailers, you guys. So it's time to get up. It's time to get active. We about that action, and we ain't all about that talking, right? Make sure you guys drop down below, like, comment, subscribe. You guys know the drill. Follow me. Let's get it. All right. So when you pull up to H2O, come grab your card. Grab your card. So we're gonna be going over the basic stuff that you need for detailing. People that is coming out of their own cars, no vans, none of that. So follow me. All right, so right here we got the Express Detailer. This is gonna be your basic cleaning right here. This cleans leather, cleans vinyl and plastic, safe on all surfaces. So this right here, you ain't gotta worry about staining the surfaces and all that. This is really effective on any type of materials right here. Right, and it's real. Hey, if you like the foam and the suds and all that, when you're washing, this is really good for that. Because me personally, I like to see the chemicals activated. You know what I mean? You'll deal with some products to where they don't have no suds, no soap. And if you like making YouTube videos, people like to see that stuff. All right, so next up, we got Carpet Bomber. So this right here is a carpet and upholstery cleaner right here. So what you want to do is you just want to spray it, agitate it, clean it up. You know what I mean? This is basic. So you're not going to have an extractor. So you're going to have a vacuum. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab a tool, you're going to spray it down, you're going to get a scrub brush, scrub it up, and make sure you let it dwell for a little bit, and then you're just going to vacuum it up. You know what I mean? You don't need an extractor starting off. You better put in some arm work. You know what I mean? Get active, you guys. All right, so next up we got the dynamic dressing right here. So this right here is going to be for your interior and exterior shine and UV protection, protect it from the sun, and it's going to have a nice matte finish. It's not going to be overkill. So this right here is that nice finishing cherry on the top. When the customer come and look at the car and they're like, oh my gosh, it's shining. That's what I get a whole lot when I use that. So I love using that product right there, that finishing touch. So next up, if you got heavier stains right here, you want to double up with the Carpet Bomber and the Terminator Enzyme Spot and Stain Remover. So these work hand in hand. So you want to spot check certain spots and then attack spots and stains, and it leaves a fresh scent also. That's good enough. Let's get it. All right, so next up, we got your Pearl Auto Shampoo. So this right here is what you're going to use to lubricate the vehicle to prevent scratching. So you want to use this in your foam cannon. So you're going to throw this on here too, and let's go grab that foam cannon. All right, we got selections here. Depending on your price range, this right here is $109 right there. I believe this one's like $84, and this one's probably the cheapest one right here. But we're gonna ring up everything at the end so we can show you guys how much everything costs all together. All right, let's go throw this on there. We're gonna go to the cheaper route. So we got the foam cannon. All right, so next up we got the glass cleaner right here. True Wool ready to use glass cleaner. Y'all know what glass cleaner do, man. All right, so next up we got the bead maker. This right here is gonna be your paint sealant. It's gonna be your 1 to 3 month protection for your paint. So you can spray this on while the vehicle's wet. You can spray it on while it's dry. So this is gonna be your protection right here. All right, we got that. All right, next up we need the tire shine. So right here, shine on, tire shine. Self-explanatory, you guys. Tire shine. Come on. All right, so next up we got your buckets. Don't forget your buckets. This one you got for your tires and rims. And we're gonna be doing the 2-bucket method to prevent scratches. So this bucket right here we got for just water, and then the next one we got for water and soap. And you also use your buckets for if you want to clean your interior. So I like to fill up a bucket of water and dip my towels in there and wring them out instead of running through so many towels. That's what I was doing as a beginner. If the towel would get dirty, I would just throw it out. So this is an effective way to use less towels, bucket of water. All right, so next up, we got our towels, wash mitts coming up. Over here, I'm gonna grab at least 2 wash mitts. Throw that on. these towels right here are gonna be used for your interior. All right, interior, you wanna separate these towels. Interior for your tires and rims, right here. Interior, tires and rims. All right, so let's see, we need exterior towels. Oh, this one right here, all right? So you can use this to dry your vehicle, right here. Get at least 2 big ones, at least. So we're gonna grab these 2 right here.
It's like a giant chamois or what?
Exactly. You can use these a lot instead of running through so many. So we're gonna grab 2 of these ones. So we're gonna need some towels that when you spray your sealant on and stuff and you wanna wipe it up instead of using this big old thing. This is just a quick dry, then you're gonna spray your sealant next. So I'm trying to see what towels I like to my liking. So let's see. You know what? I like these ones right here. So I'm gonna grab like 6 of these. All right, so we got big towels to dry. We got the towels for the ceiling, and then we got tires and rims, and then we got for the interior right here. All right.
All
Mission
right.
accomplished on that. All right. So next up, we're gonna take care of the tires and the rims. So that's the bare minimum right here. So right here, tires. Scrub the tires. Make sure you feel the texture, because you could tear up somebody's rims if you're gonna grab something rough like this. So you wanna be careful. Oh, that's soft right there. All right, so here we got for the rims. So we got tires, we got rims. All right, so we're gonna get a brush for the tires and rims, the lug nuts right here, and let's grab an interior brush real quick too. At least one interior brush. All right, so let's get back to the tires and rims. All right, bam. This is to get inside the wheel wells right here. All right, that's pretty much it for the tires right there.
Pet hair
Okay. Oh, pet, you definitely gotta have that. But check this out, you guys. This is going to be to apply your tire shine right here. And make sure you get it real good so you don't have to sling. And you're also gonna need a couple of these. You know what, we're actually gonna grab about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna grab 5 of these, this is beginning. So this is gonna be to apply your dressing inside your interior and also to apply your tire shine right here. So you wanna make sure you keep these separated. All right, these 2 I got for my tires, because these are gonna get blacked out. And this is what I got for my interior. So we're gonna throw that in right there. Bam. So this is real freestyle. This is not rehearsed, you guys. So I'm really shopping. So if I miss something, you guys, make sure you comment it down below. But we're doing the bare minimum. All right. Like my boy said, let's get that pet hair removal. Come on. So when I first started, I did not have my pet hair brush. And I got hit with some pet hair. Boy, we was out there for like 2 hours scrubbing, trying to get that pet hair up. You can use this.
Lint hair and rubber.
You could also use this for your vacuum. This goes right over your attachment, which is pretty dope. But we're gonna start off with this one because this is the most common. Right? All right, so next up we got our steam cleaner. I'd say having a steam cleaner starting is a must because there's gonna be gum, there's gonna be spots you can't reach, there's gonna be things you just can't get up simply just by scrubbing. Some things you need to reheat to get up. So steam cleaning is a must starting because you're gonna get that nasty, dirty job, cup holders saturated with a whole bunch of stuff, and you're just gonna be there for some time. So make sure you get a steam cleaner. Let me speak to my man Pete real quick, and he gonna explain to y'all what he got hit with not having a steam cleaner.
Man, I got hit with a lot of coke and syrup and seats, candy-wise, candies, gums. You got Jolly Ranchers that get stuck in the seats, man.
So what did you do?
It's hard candy. If you don't got a steam cleaner, typically you just got to get some real hot water. Sometimes even you have to boil it over the stove first, get it to come out, and then scrub until your hands can't move no more, man. That's
Getting
all
a
you
workout.
can do.
All
It's
right.
just hand. Especially if you don't have a brush, you just starting out, like you literally don't got the brush, you don't got the drill brush, you don't have The steam cleaner is typically all on your hands and hot water.
Dang, well y'all heard
It's
it.
a workout.
It's a workout, y'all heard it. All right, to all the beginners out there, you guys heard that. Get your steam cleaner, man. All right, so next up we got rigid vacuum. Damn. We'll make sure we throw that on here. Here. All right, we got the vacuum. All right, we're gonna need a ladder. What you think about that one?
Another thing I wish I would have got first.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna grab this one right here.
That way you ain't gotta stress yourself trying to get on top of the car to get them hard to reach areas, especially when you got a tall car and you're short.
All right, let's look around. What you think? Think so far? Definitely, we're not gonna get a water tank.
Yeah.
We're not gonna get a polisher.
Nah.
A pressure washer gun. Come on. So you don't need a pressure washer. You can. But if you're dealing with people that ain't gonna let you use their water, you're gonna be in trouble. So this right here is bare minimum. No pressure washer, bare minimum if you can't afford it. But if you can, just make sure we grab that. Where we at, man? All right. Here we go, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how much everything costs.
Pushing 500, guys.
This might scare some people. We ain't done.
Yeah, and we ain't even done.
All right, so that's pretty much it. What's the grand total, man?
674,
All
guys.
right, then on top of that, make sure you get your pressure washer if you need it. That's gonna be, you can get one for $120, $150, $100, depending on your budget. But other than that, this beginning right here, man. Beginner detail setup right here. Hey, drop a comment down below, like, share, subscribe. Any comments down below, whatever I'm missing, whatever I didn't get, let's all learn and grow together. Anyways, make sure y'all step in here to H2O Supply if you're in the Covina area, man. Hey, y'all know what to do with the video. Let's go.